Hi there! I'm Saten Stepanyan, and I come from the beautiful country of Armenia, which is located in the South Caucasus region and is known for its rich history and breathtaking landscapes. I'm a business analyst with over 10 years of experience in a number of industries. My experience spans across multiple domains, including international, banking, and telecom corporations. For over 5 years, I've been employed by a prominent European payments industry organization. After setting a personal goal to learn French and discovering the effectiveness of Stephen Krashen's consistent learning approach, I've been inspired to further improve my learning abilities and set new personal goals for myself. Following my success in my French language exam, thanks to my French colleagues and tutor, I became certain that obtaining the professional certification of CBAP was going to be my next move. Beginning with careful evaluation of available options, I recognized that selecting the appropriate training provider for professional development is an important decision. Many of you might agree even that success is a collaborative effort, and it's often difficult to achieve it without the aid and professional guidance. Given the significance of the decision and the necessity for examination of the available options, I spent several days making a final decision on the appropriate training provider. After obtaining further clarifications from a representative at Adaptive US, thank you, Guy, I became fully confident in the decisions that needed to be made and went ahead to purchase the course. The live training class for CBAP certification preparation provided me with a wealth of knowledge and skills that are crucial for success in the field of business analysis. Through interactive lectures, practical exercises, and group discussions, I gained a deeper understanding of key concepts and techniques, as well as insights into real-world scenarios and best practices. Overall, the live training class was an invaluable resource for me in preparing for the CBAP certification exam, and I'm confident that it will help me to achieve my professional goals. Thank you, Victoria and Ellen, for informative and engaging live training session. I appreciated the valuable insights and practical tips shared. Grateful to Armenia for providing motivation and encouragement. Thank you.